The fact that we saw so many is atypical, but of course, we're dealing with someone who is facing dozens and dozens of lawsuits already.
And just before we get into more of this complaint, talk to me a little bit about how powerful that look back window was that really allowed a lot of the Diddy's alleged victims to file complaints and lawsuits against him, given that the statute of limitations in other cases would have been expired.
Elizabeth, it's really powerful. And with sex abuse and sexual assault, there's been a lot more recognition, and what legislatures have done is they've opened up these statute of limitations. It really started actually with the Catholic Church and the sex abuse cases. And what they tried to do is open the statute of limitations for both criminal and civil. The criminal was struck down as unconstitutional, a violation of the ex post facto clause. But these civil statute of limitations, because we're just talking about money, these windows, these openings, they have been allowed. And in Diddy's case, first it was New York State and now New York City. And now both of those windows have closed. So unless someplace like California or Florida or someplace where sexual assault happened, someone could file a claim there, this is probably going to be the end of the road for most of the Diddy claims, at least certainly in New York.
Absolutely. And we still have a whole trial still waiting ahead that's just completely separate, excuse me, from all the civil complaints and lawsuits filed against him too. So still a lot of Diddy coverage, it feels like, will continue to be happening.